Hey everyone, welcome back to Tip of the Week. In this week's video, I want to show you how you can quickly modify your photo's tone, color, and detail inside ON1 Photo RAW 2020. So to get started, I'm inside of the Edit module, and we're working in the Develop tab. And you can see this photo's a little bit underexposed. But since it was shot in RAW, I can head down to my camera profile here, and one of my favorite camera profiles for bringing out shadow tones and brightening up an image a little bit is this ON1 Portrait. And that helps bring out some of the darker tones in the shot. And now to build our foundational look and set the tonality, all I'm going to do is head over to this new AI Match feature. You can see it's modified all of the sliders to set the foundational tone. And I think I'm just going to head up and maybe pull up on the exposure just a hair. That's the great thing about using these features, is that we can always go back and we can modify them to our taste. So now let's head into effects and let's correct our color. I'm just going to add a filter, and I'm going to add the new color balance filter. So the color balance filter works like your split toning filter, except for instead of having just your highlights and your shadows, now we can modify our highlights, our midtones, and our shadows. So technically it's tri-toning your photo. And I'm actually going to start down here with my shadow tones. And I'm going to start with this brightness slider. And to add a little bit of contrast, I'm just going to pull it back all the way to -100. And I'm actually going to change my hue to a nice blue in here. So now I can pull up on my amount, and I can add in some nice blue to these shadowy tones. Maybe about right there. So now it's added in some contrast and a little bit of color into the eyebrow area and then these darker areas in the shot. So now let's head to our midtones. And I'm still going to play with this brightness slider, but I'm actually going to pull up on the brightness so that it pulls up on a lot of these skin tone areas in her face. Perfect. And with this hue slider, I think I'm going to leave it over here to the left at this red color, and then I'll just pull up on the amount a little bit. There we go. And I can bring in some warmth to her skin. And now let's work on our highlights. So with my highlights, let's pull up on the amount a little bit so we can see what we're working with. And let's go back a little bit on the hue, maybe to a nice, maybe gold orange color. Right there. Maybe pull back on the amount. It's not so strong. And we'll actually pull up on the brightness. There we go. So now if I turn this color balance filter off and on, I love how much control it gives you when you're correcting color on photographs like this. So let's add one last filter here, and I'm going to add dynamic contrast. But since there's a lot of skin on this photo, I don't want it to apply to the entire image. So to quickly mask this in, I'm just going to head over to my dynamic contrast filter, and in my masking options here, since white reveals and black conceals in masking, I'm going to invert this mask to black. And now with my masking brush selected, I'll lower the brush size with my bracket keys on my keyboard, and then I'll just brush around to add in some detail. And let's pull up on the small a little bit more. Right about there. And then I'll actually pull up on the shadows just a hair and add in a little contrast with the black slider. So now if I turn this off and on, brings in a lot of nice detail so the viewers focus in on the eye right there. So now let's hit the backslash key on our keyboard. We've modified the tone, color, and the detail in the shot really easily using ON1 Photo RAW 2020. I'm Dylan with ON1, and stay tuned for more.